R bending of chromosomes. R bending is actually the reverse of the GIMSA. What we see during the GIMSA staining, in this type of the staining which is called as R bending, we see the reverse pattern of the GIMSA. In case of R bending, we see that the dark regions, they are euchromatin. Now the euchromatin, they are GC rich region. So in case of GIMSA staining, we see the dark regions, they were AT rich, while in case of R bending, we see that the dark regions now they are GC rich. So we say that R bending is reverse of the GIMSA staining. The procedure that how this bending pattern is performed on the chromosomes, when the slides they are 7 to 10 days, their age is 7 to 10 days. The slides are placed in phosphate buffer at 85 degrees centigrade and they are incubated for 20 to 25 minutes. Then stain the slides with 0.1% solution of acridine orange in phosphate buffer for 4 to 6 minutes. Rinse the phosphate buffer and mount the slides. Examine these slides under the fluorescent microscope. So this is the procedure in case of R bending, where once the age of the slides is 7 to 10 days, they are placed in the phosphate buffer at 85 degrees centigrade for 20 to 25 minutes. Then the slides they are stained with a chemical. The name of the chemical is acridine orange in phosphate buffer for 4 to 6 minutes. Then the slides they are rinsed with phosphate buffer and they are mounted with the same buffer. Examine once this process has been completed, we can examine the slides under microscope. So R bending is the reverse of GIMSA bending. Whatever we see in case of GIMSA bending, we see that dark bands they are AT rich. In case of GIMSA bending, here we see that the dark bands they are GC rich. So that is the reason it is called as R bending. R bending is for reverse of the GIMSA.